ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi ta ka Frank Motors. Ka Tata Safari ka SUV ka bapaw tam jong ka India minta kalami ha ka jinglong batmai ringkat bat khatsan teligi features baningkong e ha ka segment. La play ye ki booking but ya ki jing tip bakambnia one shaka Frank Motors lat ko ringi lani phone hau number hinyo not sausan ar not hinyo khanda hinyo lai.
Rotary Club Joy ringkat ke jinga trelang ke JNV School Mukla haka khandro trek unok pra kala penlong ke career guidance and counselling program haka bau ba Sylvester Phanbo MCS EAC West Khasi Hills ulalong kumukongsan haka jingdon nang ki khna school ba kinong hikai ke JNV School Mukla. Haka jingalang retired DF Majau ulalong kumu Master of Ceremony kat bau retired Daybor Toy President Rotary Club Joy ulalong kumu Shongkonor penyaya ke jingalang haka jingdon lang ke retired Esther F Gatpo Chartered President Rotary Club Joy retired P Najar Kavandia Srivastava Vice President JNV Mukla retired Montri Pasa retired Samihi Lalu baru retired Ruveni Nong Tudu. Hakani ka career guidance and counselling program lawan ban ai jing hikai yaki khenna deki Briew Shemphang ki bikin thop ka Dr. Rika Lamar ka balabatai Shemphang ki jingka jingkya kat baka kong Iva Thaba bat ka badan nam perbat kila batai kumno banlong ki khenna ki bala naga jingkot lat hadim la pendap ki jing puli hakika dan bapher Sylvester Phanbo kumukongsan ulong ban Kyntiew bat penlong yakeri India bakan kiyo khmat hakilyang bapher ka jinan kam ka ba khmat e kalong ban yo yaki Briew ki bidani ka jing Stad bat jing Shemphang ban le yaki kam bapher.
Now when we go to the nature of this program, career guidance and counseling of students, I just want to present a few facts, okay? India, you might have read in the news, is on its way to becoming a $3 trillion economy in the coming years. What does that mean? It does not mean that one person will have $3 trillion in the bank account, savings or something, nothing like that. It means that money actually represents jobs, industries, sectors that will grow across India. And to produce that kind of economy, we need skilled people. We need young people, young citizens of India who are software engineers, who are businessmen and businesswomen, who are doctors, who are civil engineers, who are sports persons, who are singers, who are dancers, who create videos, who direct documentaries, who are YouTube stars. All of them are part of the same bouquet, you can say, which will make our country go forward. You all are digital natives. What you have experienced since the time you were born, none of the older adults here experienced. For all the rest of us, we were already grown up when we first saw the internet. We were already adults when we first saw the mobile phone, the smartphone. And now with artificial intelligence, for us it's a very alien thing. But some of you, especially the ones in class 5 and class 6, you are born into that age. So the way you think, the way you connect with the world will be very different from the way we guys have connected with the world. And I have to say this also, it will be a big challenge for us to give you advice, because we are not experiencing the same thing that you are. You are a unique generation, a very unique generation.
This is a question very important for you, okay? Who wants to have a career when you grow up? Do you know what a career is? Yes? Okay, the boys in the front. When you grow up, you can have a job. A job means something that, you understand Khasi? Yes! Would you prefer me to speak in Khasi or Hindi? Okay, so if you want to have a career, something that you're passionate about, you make money and you're happy, this is a starting point for you, okay? Yes. We are going to share with you today something that you probably have not heard about. Now I want you to make a promise to yourself. Right now, right here. Put your hands on your heart. I promise to myself that I will be present So if you love shopping and you love dressing up, when you go shopping, what do you look for? What do you look for when you go shopping? What do you have to buy a dress? What do you think? What else? Look at that. Size. If I give you this big a t-shirt and you wear it, do you feel good? No, right? But we do that with our career. Something that doesn't fit us, right? And we don't want to do that anymore. Not this generation, right? Yeah? What else do we think about? Price. Very important, right? Okay, more. The trend. You wouldn't wear something that is very old-fashioned, would you? No, right? We have utility. How do you use it? And then also the colors we talked about. Now, all of these factors, what do? It gives us all the information to make a decision, right? It helps us make a decision. So whenever we make a decision about our career, there's so many things we have to think about, right? And then that helps us make a conscious choice. What is happening now is Kyntiew graduates and we cannot school, class. In the past, our graduates did you. You should do it when you come. Then, you love them, I can send the job there. Now, you have to come there, about the come. They don't come and they give long fit for employment. I will give you data. Don't believe me, but if data is fit for employment. Come and they give long fit for pray at the come. It's not a race, you finish the race and you get a medal, it's over. You have to be able to do that work. You have to be competent. Yes or no? Yes? Okay. So, what does employable mean? So, this is the employer. What does an employer mean? What does an employer mean? Donkam. Okay? So, pinlay na ki schools, ki colleges, ki company ba phera ki employer jong pinene. They come done, you don't come you don't come qualifications jong the engineer, the architect, you come engineer, teacher, exactly. Now we're looking, they want professional qualifications. You know what else they want? What is the reason why they're not fit for employment? Skills like? Say it with me. Communicate effectively, your communication skills. But solve problems creatively. Emotionally intelligent. Have you heard about that word before? Yes. Very good. I like it, JFA. And then conflict resolution, self-leadership, and adaptability.